Hi everyone, welcome to the Uke Stuff channel and welcome to the first video in a series of videos of content that was not specifically created by me. This is a demonstration and a tutorial of one of the songs from the ukulele chord melody songs as arranged by Elizabeth Ragsdale. Elizabeth Ragsdale, I believe, lives in Wisconsin. She's a part of the Madison Area Ukulele Initiative, and she has published several books, all of which are available for download for free at the Uke Stuff channel that I run with her permission. And I'm going to go over some of the songs that she has created. In the tutorial part, you will actually see the music above me, but you can download that music for free with her permission. That as long as it's distributed for free, she is okay with that. We are going to do the song The Ash Grove today from her arrangement. And I am using my Koaloha OPO. This is my concert Acacia. It was built in 2016. By the way, Koaloha always puts a date stamp on the neck block of the instrument. Now, this song can work with high G, but it is arranged specifically for low G as we play it. What I'm going to do in the video is, first of all, I will play the song and give you a demonstration, and then I'll walk you through it with a tutorial of anything that you need to know as you play it. So here is The Ash Grove, a Welsh song as arranged by Elizabeth Ragsdale. All right, let's work our way through the song. Here's the first line. The first couple measures here are focusing on the G chord, so I would make that right off the bat. And you're gonna play on that G chord, you're gonna play the third string, second fret, strings 4, 3, and 2, string 1, then reach up with your pinky and play the first string, 5th fret, then lift it up and play the whole G chord, second string again, A minor chord. Then walking up, make like a C chord on the first string, 3, 2, open. You had just played the C chord, so move over to the second string, 3rd fret, and they're gonna make a D chord, playing strings 4, 3, and 2, then string 3, then string 3. Then your G chord again, but you're gonna play strings 4, 3, and 2, up to the first string, which is part of the G chord, lift up, you still got the G chord, then the rest of it that you left. So second string, 3rd fret, then I just walk down and play second string, 2nd fret, and then most of the C chord, strings 4, 3, and 2, string 3, string 2 twice, make the G shape, so strings 4 and 3, string 2, D chord, strings 4, 3, and 2, and then finally the G chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. And that pretty much repeats. You're gonna start again with the G chord now, and you're gonna be on the pickups to the 3rd line are going to be the 3rd string, 2nd fret. G chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. First string, add your pinky to the 1st string, 5th fret. G chord, string 2, A minor chord, up to the C shape, but first string on the 1st string, 3rd fret, 1st string, 2nd fret, 1st string open, bring the 3rd finger over to the 2nd string, 3rd fret, D chord, strings 4, 3, and 2, repeat string 3 twice, okay, G chord, strings 4, 3, and 2, and you're still making the G chord, so 1st string, 2nd, 1st string open, 2nd string, 3rd fret, 2nd string, 2nd fret, C chord, strings 4, 3, and 2, 3rd string, 2nd string, happens twice, then G chord, strings 4 and 3, string 2, D chord, strings 4, 3, and 2, and G chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. And that's how you play the Ash Grove as arranged by Elizabeth Ragsdale. Just to show you on high G, this is my Islander MC4 laminate mahogany ukulele. other thing is you can also play this on a baritone because it's usually tuned low D, but the actual notes and chord names that you see are going to be different. So for example, on GCA, the G chord becomes the D chord. So this song, instead of being in the key of G, becomes in the key of D. And you have to think separately for that. So if you're going to have somebody play along with you chord shapes, you'd have to cross out all the chord shapes and write in the different names that you would need for those chords. But I'll play it anyway just so you can hear the difference between playing it in the key of G and the key of D. Here you go. As I close out this video, just a reminder, if you want to support the work on this channel, there are 3 things you can do. You can like the video, you can subscribe to the channel, and you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at www.buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff. Again, thanks so much for watching the video. I hope you're enjoying the series, and I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.